Another big AI model just dropped, Kimi K3. And the headlines are screaming, Frontier, open, biggest ever. But here is the only question that matters for us as developers. Is this something you should actually change your workflow for, or just another hype wave you can ignore until next week? In the next few minutes, I'll help you decide. Yes, watch it, try it, wait. Or skip it. Right now, I'm using Grok 4.5 as my primary coding model. Since it's currently available with a 50% discount until July 21st, I've been using it for almost every task in my daily work. Here are some user statistics for my day-to-day development. Once the discount period ends, I'll summarize my experience and make a separate video covering the results. What worked well, what didn't, and whether I'd keep using it at the regular price. Now let's take a look at the models currently available in Cursor. At the very bottom of the list, you'll find Kimi K2.7. I haven't used it yet, but as soon as Kimi K3 becomes available in Cursor, I'll put it through real coding tasks and share my results with you. So what is Kimi K3 without the buzzwords? It's Moonshot AI's new flagship model. Live now on kimi.com, in their coding tools, and through an API. Think of it like this. Most top coding models like Claude, GPT are locked behind a company wall. You rent them, you don't own them. Kimi K3 is aiming at the same top-shelf performance, but they plan to release the full model ways. Open, downloadable, that part is huge. Numbers you'll hear everywhere. About 2.8 trillion parameters, 1 million token context, native text, images, and video. First open model in that approximately 3T class. Don't get hypnotized by 2.8 trillion. What matters is, can it help you ship code better, cheaper, or with more control? Why did this explode on Hacker News? 3 reasons and only 3. 1. It scores near the close giants on hard coding and agent benchmarks. Not good for open source. Near the top of the whole ladder. 2. Long horizon coding. Multi-hour sessions, big repos, terminal tools. That's exactly how we work with Cursor, Claude Code, and agent setups. 3. Open weights are coming. July 27 is the day they are pointing at. If that ships cleanly, the whole ecosystem can fine-tune, self-host, and build on it. That's why people aren't just saying, nice model. They are saying, this might change the board. Alright, coding. This is the part you care about. Moonshot is pushing hard on long engineering sessions. Not write a function. More like, stay in a repo for hours, use the terminal, profile stub, keep going. They even show wild demos, kernel optimization, building a tiny GPU compiler, vision in the loop for frontend and games. Cool? Yes. But we need some proof and our real tests. And when it is available in Cursor, I'll also test it. Here is my practical read for AI coding tools. If you live in agents, multi-file refactors, terminal loops, long tasks, K3 is on your radar. If you mostly need quick autocomplete, you might not feel a night and day difference yet. But remember, vendor benchmarks are always a little optimistic. We need our real tests. Here is the part I think most people underestimate. Performance is cool. Open weights, change power. If weights drop and the license is usable, teams can self-host for privacy. Startups can fine-tune for their code-base style. Tool builders can ship K3-powered agents without begging a closed API forever. That's the difference between another API you try and infrastructure you can own. Right now it's live as a product and API. Weights are promised around July 27. Until they are out, treat open a strong intention, not a finished gift under your Christmas tree. So my advice, get excited, but put a calendar reminder. The download day is when this becomes real for a lot of teams. Let's decide together. Simple framework. Pay close attention if you build or use coding agents for long tasks, care about open weights, privacy, or fine-tuning, want a strong alternative when Claude GPT are rate limited or pricey, do front-end UI work where vision in the loop helps. You can wait if you are happy with your current tool and shipping fine, don't want to chase every model release, only need light autocomplete. My personal take. Worth your attention? Yes. Worth a weekend migration? Not yet. Worth a 30-minute hands-on test on a real repo? Absolutely. Try one painful task you already know. Same prompt, same repo, compare. That's the only benchmark that pays rent. And that's it. Not hype, no, this changes everything claims. Kimi K3 looks like one of the first open models that can genuinely complete in serious coding workflows. If the open weights deliver as promised, that could be the most interesting part of this release. I'm looking forward to trying it in Cursor as soon as it's available and comparing it with the models I already use every day, like Grok 4.5, Claude and GPT 5.5. I'll share the results in a future video. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing. I make practical AI coding videos for developers based on real testing, not just reading press releases. You'll find more tutorials, reviews, and developer resources at codesolved.dev. If you already tried Kimi K3, let me know in the comments. What was your experience? Is it a keep, a maybe, or a skip? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.